Okay, this is how you can check UK's national debt completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. We have a couple different websites here, but basically it's pretty simple, it's self-explanatory. You can see here the first one is macro trends. I like this personally because it shows back and dates back from 1960 to 2024. As you can see, it's in a steady upcline or uptrend. It shows a chart, and if you scroll down, it will even show the debt to the GDP ratio, or it will display the historical data, and it even has a country ranking or similar countries to the left hand screen right here. We go to the third website. This is usdebtclock.org, and as you can see, UK is ranked number 5 at $3.8 trillion in national debt. This is live data, by the way, completely for free.